Next one. Let's see. This is the old menu going to phase out soon?
We'll just kind of see how many people switch over, and we'll just kind of play that by ear. We're just going to kind of leave the old menu in place until people feel comfortable with the new menu, and we'll just see how long that is.
The answer to that, Shane, is Big Brother is watching. Right? Shane set up some kind of a little thing in here so he can see which one you're using, right?
Yep, we can track how many of our member accounts are using the new menu.
So we'll actually watch and see how many people switch over to the new menu and how many people stick with it and how many switch back. So I guess your answer really to that question is it will depend upon what we see happen, how fast we phase out the old one.
I don't imagine that the old menu will go away
for quite some time.
I don't imagine it will go away for this year.
Yeah, there's really no cost to us to leave it there.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll probably make sure that it is not in use by the time we get rid of it. So, okay, let's see. Next question. I like it. Graphics help with the sense of ease of use. Okay, good comments. So, okay, and the next one down. Please restate how to access the new menu. I may have missed out on the explanation.
Okay.
We sort of skipped over that, didn't we? Oh,
no.
Why don't you back up even a little further, Shane? I'm going to make your life really miserable. Not long ago, we redid the login screen, and so that it sort of matched this a little bit better. And so that was kind of a pre-thing. Why don't you drop clear back to that, and then come back into the old
just a
screen.
second.
You'll have to go back and undo all of the stuff that you did.
Yeah, I logged out too quick.
So give Shane just a second here. Let's see, what's the music on? Dum, 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 dum. Oh, now I'm really getting myself in trouble. So anyway, okay, so this is, you got to log back in so you can log out so you can log back in.
Okay, so let's go ahead and, so this is a new login screen, and we actually, with this release made just a couple minor tweaks to this, nothing major.
But really, the real look to that login was so that it sort of matched the whole look and feel coming into this thing, right?
I've got to go back to the old menu.
Okay.
Okay. So when you log in...
So now are you going to go back to and re-log in? So no? Okay. No. Oh, jeez. Okay.
Okay. So when you come in, if your account hasn't been switched over yet, you'll see this screen here. And then up in the top left-hand corner, there is a try the new menu.
Yeah, and look at the nice little graphic action it does there. You probably can't see it through the webinar, but on your page it'll kind of do this funky little page turn.
Now, if you don't see this, I don't know, one thing I should mention is this new menu is only for member accounts. Resellers won't see this up here. So
what about resellers members?
The member accounts within resellers,
within another reseller.
Will see this. Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Okay. The difference is that a members, a reseller. I mean, a member under a reseller is, instead of seeing the EZ-NetTools logo, it's going to see their logo.
Yeah. If you're under another reseller, you'll see your reseller's logo up here in the top.
Okay.
Right-hand corner.
Oh, okay. So sorry, didn't mean to.
No, that's fine.
Make you jump forward there.
So that's how you get to that's how you opt into the new menu.
Just click on it.
Yep.
Now, once they click on that, every time they log back in, it will always come up to the new menu.
That's correct.
Right?
Unless you switch back to
unless they click the old menu there in the center. So however that's sort of the Boy Scout rule, right? Leave it how you found it. So however you leave it, that's what it'll come back to. If you leave it in the old menu, when you come back, it'll be old menu. If you leave it in the new menu, it'll come back in the new menu, right?
Yep.
Okay. We follow Boy Scout rules around here, right? Okay. Oh, let's see. Was that our last question? Okay, no, a couple more here. I think this is definitely an improvement. How will you select the new widgets as they become available?
We haven't implemented the interface for that yet. What there will probably be on this screen somewhere is a customize button that will allow you to, it'll pop up and a window that allows you to pick which widgets, which applications you want to see on this new menu. But we haven't implemented that yet since we just have the 2 for right now.
So, yep, since they can't change it, we haven't really designed that part of it. But it'll be called a settings window or something. And
yeah, we haven't really, it'll some sort of customized button.
It'll be a something window.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Thank you. Once we initiate the new menu, will the new menu always show up at first? I think I answered that one.
Yep, it will.
In one of the previous ones. So, can we switch back and forth until we become comfortable with the new one? And the answer is absolutely. You can go either way, use whichever one you want. We hope that you will love the new one and want to go there. I think it's just a matter of realizing what graphics go with what software, and then we'll jump back into the same old stuff that's been there until we roll this through the new system. I'm sure it will probably take us quite some time to implement this through the entire system. There's a lot of code out there, right, Shane?
Mm-hmm. Now, of course, one thing we should mention: this test account is set up as an e-commerce account, so you may not see, if you're not on an e-commerce account, you may not see all of these.
So if you don't have an e-commerce account, you're not going to see the button on View Order Status.
That's correct.
So you may have a few fewer buttons. Okay, let's see. The next question is, will the new menu be available? When will the new menu be available? I was late in jumping on the call, so I probably missed it. And the answer is?
Well, you can switch to it right now when you log into your member tools. Just click the
answer is 1 hour and 15 minutes ago.
Yep. You just click this try the new menu button, and you've got it.
So it's available now. So go log into your account, and it should be there. Now, I don't know, are there any refresh problems? They may have to press the F6 key or something if their old one is cached or something like that?
No, there shouldn't be any.
Shouldn't be any problem like that. They log in, and it should be there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Great. Sounds good. Okay. I think we've got all the questions answered. If anyone had a quick question that they wanted to answer with a microphone, you could just click on the little raise your hand button, and I could unmute your microphone or quickly type in a new question into the question box. And if I don't see one really quick, then we will just end this webinar, and hopefully we'll look forward to comments and feedback from the customers to let us know how this works, and hopefully we've got all the bugs worked out of it, and it just works perfectly.
Especially if you decide to switch back. Before you switch back, please
do some feedback.
Give us some feedback. We want to know.
Well, hopefully they don't switch back.
Yeah.
We don't want them to switch back at all. So, okay. Well, looks like we'll go ahead and just wrap this up. Hey, we appreciate your hard work, Shane. And we appreciate you taking a few minutes out of your busy schedule to help us show off this new menu. And really, I guess the thing that really excites me about this is that it's a whole new design for the entire system. It's a whole new look and feel that will roll into the whole system. And I guess that's what really excites me, is that we're going to have a system that's really much more usable on mobile devices and much more graphical user interface. So much more beautiful, right? More beautiful.
Well, hopefully more functional.
Oh, okay, more functional. I like more beautiful, more functional. So we'd like to thank everyone for coming today. If you have any questions, give us a call at technical support. We told Tyler that it's up yet?
Yes.
Okay, he knows. So support knows that that we're online and ready to go. So thanks for coming today. We hope that everyone has a great day. Hit us on Twitter. Hit us on Facebook.